Hi guys, it's Cindy. This is part two of another video. Excuse me, I'm still playing with pop dots. And so I thought I'd give you another idea and show you what I'm doing today. So this is an idea for to make your tags look really super gorgeous by popping some of the elements in some of these cut aparts that are in, this particular one is a Prima Pack Apricot Honey. I I just love the colors in here, and it's very elegant. And I wanted to make some tags today. And as I mentioned in the previous video, this paper pack is a little useless for making mini albums for me because it only has 6 designs. But it's really nice when you have multiples of the same thing. It's really nice to use pop dots. So this has four pages of, of these. So I'm going to pull out 2 because when you're popping, at least the way that I'm doing it today, you don't always doesn't always have to be this way, but it's nice to have 2 of the same thing. So I think I'm going to start out with this one. Happiness looks gorgeous on you, and just do a real simple pop up for you. So let's just cut that out. And then on the second one, as I showed you in the previous video, decide what it is you want to pop up. So I think with this one, I want to pop up happiness and gorgeous. So I'm going to cut those 2 out. And I'm going to add just a little bit of Tim Holtz Vintage Photo. Not a lot, just a little bit to the edges to help it pop up even more. And get my pop dots. And as I mentioned in the other video, you want to have coverage on ends and in the middle so that your popped up item doesn't sag in the middle. So let's put happiness there and gorgeous, gorgemoso, as we say in my family. You look gorgemoso. I don't know if that's a real word or not. Just one of those things we've been doing since I was a kid. Gorgeous. And already, again, this doesn't really show up real well on the camera, but it looks awesome in real life. And then I always have a stack of scraps around. I think I showed this in another video. When I have scraps, I always cut them down into tag size. And then on some days when I'm bored, I will sit there and go and do my sewing machine around them just so that I have a bunch of these on hand. So I don't know if any of these are the same size or the right size. These are a little bit too small. Oh, that looks really nice. Okay, let's do that one. This one I had started to do something with it and put some music note paper on there, sheet music. Yeah. All right. So just like that, you have a pretty looking tag that has a lot more interest than if you just collaged and stuck things on. You can pop things up too. And once you have things popped up, you can stick other little things under there. For example, I have some fussy cut items here. I don't know if any of them are going to look good with this particular tag, but you know, you could take things and pop them up. I don't have anything here that's going to fit, but you could stick them under your popped up section and get all kinds of different levels going. Okay, so there's one. I'm really happy with that one. And then let's try something a little different. Let's do this one here that says explore. We can pop up the word explore, and we can pop up some flowers, maybe the butterfly. And then we'll cut out the second one. That's the one thing I do like about this paper pack where you get 4 of everything. I don't mind cutting up these because I've got 2 to join together with my pop dots, and I've still got 2 other sheets to use these just as is if I want to. So you get plenty of them at least. So on this one I am going to cut out the word explore. That'll end up being popped there. And then let's pop up this pretty flower here. And maybe we'll put another butterfly. All right, let's get to popping. This flower, I'm not going to put it directly over this one. I'm going to kind of put it in the center here. Okay. There we go. And then this butterfly, I'm going to pop it up. Let's see. Actually, it can be just put right on the word explore there. That would be pretty. And we don't even need a pop dot for that. Do we want it popped up? Nah. Let's just put a little bit of adhesive on that side. I think I need my glue stick. Let's do it like that. let's see. I'm going to take these leaves and pop them up and put them under this flower. Okay, hopefully you can kind of see that. It's really hard to show this on the camera, guys, but I hope you can get the idea. So I popped up the word explore and put the butterfly on it. I popped up this flower, and then I cut out these leaves on the other card and popped them up here. And it looks very, very beautiful. So I don't know if I have any. That's kind of pretty. So I think I'll just round the edges of this. Ink this up. Oh, wouldn't you know it, I'm out of tape. Double-sided tape it is. I don't trust glue sticks for certain things. And you know what I'm going to do? Actually, I have 2 flowers left on here, so I'm going to probably stick one under there. Let's see. Or put one on the side there. There. And so that just adds so much more interest. We have things that are popped up. We have things that are sticking out the side. Sorry, there we go. Sticking out the side of the tag. Sorry, I'm having a hard time with the lighting. There. And it just adds so much interest to your tags. Love this one. But look how pretty. And if you could only see how gorgeous they look with the popped up elements, I think you'd really give this a try. So thanks for hanging in there with me today. I hope you try this. I'm going to try to find some of these foam squares, which are my favorites, and put the link below. And I hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.